In today's video, I'll show you how to easily collect multiple signatures in DocuSign. If you're handling contracts or working with a team, this will save you tons of time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. First, log into your DocuSign account and head to the Agreements section. Click Start Now and upload the document you need signed. You can select a file directly from your computer and let it upload. Next, click Add Recipient and enter the names and emails of everyone who needs to sign. After that, hit Next to move into the editing screen. Here, drag and drop signature boxes onto the document and assign them to each recipient. Double check placement to make sure everything looks right. Once you're ready, click Send and DocuSign will take care of the rest. Everyone will get their signing link and you can track progress in real time. That's how simple it is to use DocuSign for multiple signatures. Try it out and streamline your workflow today. Hit that subscribe button for more quick tutorials.